Namaskar. Why self-love is so important? Hello, my friend, dear Unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Why self-love is so important? Improved mental health. Self-love can help to boost your self-esteem and reduce stress and improve your overall mental well-being and stronger relationships. Have you ever think about it? When you love yourself, you're more likely to attract and maintain healthy relationships with others. Increased confidence, self-love can help you to feel more confident, more confident in yourself and your abilities. It's so important. And self-love, why self-love is so important? Better decision making, when you love yourself, you're more likely to make decisions that are in your best interests and greater happiness. When you love yourself, you're more happy. Yes, you are. Self-love can lead to a greater sense of happiness and fulfillment in life. So don't forget to love yourself deeply, madly. Yeah. Love yourself. Get to know yourself. Find yourself. Love every bit of your body, your beautiful soul, your beautiful mind. Love yourself. Self-love is so important. Dear Unique, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. And always remember, there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Ashe. Bye.